Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Buick Envision Essence in Summit White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, lane keep assist, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90820A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.